Say what it is.
This chocolate and bacon cocoa mix.
Show it. Let me see.
And I got it for Christmas.
Christmas! What's it smell like?
Traces of bacon and chocolate. Mostly chocolate, that's all I smell. Tastes like chocolate milk, but it's like if you ate breakfast, like if you ate eggs and bacon, that's the aftertaste. I'm serious, it's like if you just ate breakfast. That's
Really?
the aftertaste, yeah.
That's not bad.
No.
You actually like it?
Yeah. That's what it tastes like. It tastes like it's aftertaste of you eating breakfast in the morning.
So, do you recommend it to people?
If you don't mind the bacon aftertaste, then yeah, I recommend it.
So, what do you get?
Okay, the other gift I got was bacon popcorn,
Uh-huh.
and I just took it out of the bag.
And it smells like legit
And
bacon.
it smells like you took bacon out of the pan. That's what it smells
Well,
like.
when you opened up the microwave, it did.
Yeah.
God.
It smells like it. It
Well,
smells
does
like
it
someone.
taste like it, though?
I don't know, but it smells like legit cooked sizzling bacon. That's what it smells like. I like it. Only my mornings smell like that every day. Recommend this?
Yeah, because it doesn't make sense. It's
Yeah.
just the smell.
The smell smells awesome.
Yeah, the smell.
God, I love it. But yeah, I don't taste bacon. Maybe it does. Maybe my tongue's just
No,
sticky.
because I just ate it. I'm not sick. It
Yeah.
tastes like just popcorn. It doesn't have that janky bacon taste.
Yeah. I recommend it.
It's just
If you want that popcorn, this is it. I don't know where my friend got it. I don't know where Bonnie got it, but it's probably online. I don't know.
bacon pop.
So if you guys want your house to smell like bacon, then I recommend it.
Look at the bacon. He's smiling.
I know. He's happy. I'm happy.
So you do?
Yeah. I recommend it.
Can you put salt?
Hmm?
Can you put
If
salt?
you want, I don't care. You put something in it. Actually, yeah, do that.
Oh, I taste it now.
You do? I don't taste anything.
It's on the side of the bag.
Fuck this shit.
The flavor.
It is?
But it's not bad.
Okay, now I taste it. That's weird.
No, it's like butter and bacon.
Yeah, still tastes like real bacon.
Yeah.
So it does.
Okay, good bacon pop.
Tastes like you just took out the bacon and put it on a piece of plate so the grease can come off. That's what it tastes like. Okay. Well, we're stupid, but yeah, now we taste it.
Yeah.
Okay. I recommend it.
Okay. But
Yeah.
if it's too much, then just make bacon.
Yeah, either way, everything's good. Bonnie, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
And we want to say thank you for the presents. I love my blanket, my action figure, and the bacon stuff.
Yeah.
They're really good. And tell Jim and your family we said hi and Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
I don't want to get off the couch, so there you go.
Yeah. Okay. We want to say happy holidays to everybody who has watched or going to watch.
It looks like I'm ahead.
Okay.
Who has watched our videos, and we'll post videos soon. We're just lazy right now, and I see Jackson behind the chair.
Happy New Year too.
Yeah. Happy New Year's, Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, all that good stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Turn it off.